Now I just remove this one and put it a little lower and select the rooftop unit and adjust the size to 12 inches for height and 28 inches for width, and it puts the connection for me. And you can use the rooftop units and select the size as fixed one and let me know how much is the size. 12 by 18. And they are so close, and it go to this direction, and we can connect it to here to prevent the Elmo type and using the Planium type. And I use Ctrl Z when our sizes are not adjusted. We can move this one downward and connect it, but our sizes are not correct here, and that's wrong. So I use Ctrl Z and select the duct again and move it a little upward. And so we can use the adapter much upper and use the 28 inches for width. Mm, 28 inches by 12 inches. Now the adapter is a little lower, and I can move it upward like this. And now we can connect it. This is more logical than we done before. Let me close this file. Now we can go to DuctSizer. This is 50 and this is 180. Total 230. And I also use the Windows calculator. 2400. 200, estimately 2170 with height of 12, but I want to use 10 inches for height. It is a lot, so I use 12, estimately 26, 12 by 26, 12 like this. But our consumption in this place is not too much, estimately 100 CFM. So 2070. I input this amount. So the changes are not a lot. It's not very important. So I hold down the Control key and use this size, 12 by 24, like this. You can move it a little to left. For here, this calculation 1890, 890. It gives us 12 by 22. So I use this dimension. So in here we have to subtract 180, so the total number is 1710. 12 by 22. So this size is okay. And now I check the diffusers too. For here, 12 by 22 is correct size. Select this one. And we subtract 180 again. Subtract, but 1530. Sorry, our size didn't change. Our size is same as the previous one. Now we check it again with DuctSizer. 1530, 12 by 20. We have to subtract two amount. Subtract 180 and 1350. 12 by 80. Yes. So we select the size 20 by 12 like this. This one is 12 by 18. Exactly like this. This is the overall explanation of the DuctSizer software. But if you want to connect them manually, we can do it manually. To show you how you can do this, and I remove this one. Let me see this size again. Estimately 6. So our size must be even number. Okay. I remove these. Filter, check none, duct fittings, ducts, and flex ducts, and remove them.